How to replace a lost Social Security card online. Replacing a lost Social Security card online is completely free and can be done quickly through the official Social Security Administration website, provided you do not need to make any changes to your personal information. To be eligible for this online service, you must be a U.S. citizen who is at least 18 years old with a valid U.S. mailing address, which includes military and diplomatic addresses. Additionally, you must possess a valid driver's license or a state-issued identification card from a participating state. Currently, all states participate except for Alaska. If you meet these criteria and only need a straightforward replacement card with no updates to your name or date of birth, you can complete the process entirely from home. The process begins by logging into your personal My Social Security account on the official website, ssa.gov. If you do not already have an account, you can easily create one on the spot by answering a series of identity verification questions. Once you are logged in and on your account dashboard, you simply click the link that says Replace your Social Security card. The system will then guide you through a series of short questions where you will select your state and enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your physical documents, including your driver's license or state ID number. After verifying that your mailing address is correct, you can submit the request, and your new physical card will securely arrive in the mail within 5 to 14 days. While the online process is highly convenient, it is important to keep in mind that the government enforces strict limits on replacement cards. You are generally restricted to receiving a maximum of 3 replacement cards per calendar year and no more than 10 cards over your entire lifetime. It is worth noting that replacement cards required due to legal name changes or updates to your citizenship status usually do not count toward these lifetime limits, but a standard lost card replacement will. If you find that you do not qualify for the online application process, such as if you lack a participating state ID, need to update your legal name, or are requesting a replacement card for a minor child, you will have to take a slightly different route. You can still start the application on the Social Security Administration's portal online to fill out the necessary information, but you will then need to print out the completed Form SS5. To finalize the request, you must either mail this form or bring it in person to your local Social Security office along with your original, unexpired identity documents, such as a physical U.S. passport or an original birth certificate, as photocopies are not accepted. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.